Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is metal and non-metal part 2. So let's talk about it. Non-metal is a chemical element that usually gains electron when the reacting with the metal, which form an acid if combined with oxygen or hydrogen, or which is poor conductor of heat and electricity. Non-metal display more variety in color or state than the do metals. A sonority hierarchy or sonority scale is a hierarchical ranking of speech sound. Sonority is the loosely defined as the loudness of speech sounds relative to other sounds of same pitch, length and strength. Therefore, sonority is often related to the ranking of sound to their amplitude. The material which generally possess these properties are called metals. The example of metals are iron, copper, aluminium, calcium, magnesium, etc. In contrast, material like coal or sulfur are soft, dull in appearance. They break down into a powdery mass on the tapping with the hammer, which they are not sonorous and are poor conductor of heat and electricity. These materials are called non-metals. The example of non-metal are sulfur, carbon, oxygen, phosphorus, etc. Metal are react with the water and produce a metal dioxide and hydrogen gas. Metal oxide that are the soluble in water dissolve in it to the further form of metal hydroxide, but all metals do not react with water. Metals like potassium and sodium react violently with cold water. Metal reaction with acid. When a metal is put in acid, it gets smaller and smaller as it gets used up in the chemical reaction. At the same time, bubbles of gas can be seen. The bubbles produced in reaction are hydrogen gas. Non-metals are class of chemical elements whose chemical and physical properties contrast with those of metals. Most non-metal gains electrons when the reacting with the metals, form an acid if combined with oxygen and hydrogen, are poor conductor of heat and electricity. Non-metals are displayed more variety in color state than do metals, about the half of color or colorless. Gases varies. Nearly all metals are silvery gray solid. Unlike most metals, they tend to have no structural uses. So let's talk about facts about metal and non-metal. Number 1. They are either gas, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, or solid, carbon and sulfur under the standard condition. Number 2. They are not good conductor of electricity or heat. Number 3. They are very brittle in their solid form. Number 4. They are not malleable or ductile. So kids, tell me, what is sulfur? Please write in a comment section. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize about the metal and non-metals. Part 2. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support.